In this video, I will show you how to fix and resolve MS Excel autofill options not showing like this. So to show this option, click on this fill in the home tab, and here you can select series, column, and click on OK. So you will get this drop down autofill options. So thanks for watching and comment on this video useful for you.